Welcome to day 17 of Strength, 30 Days of Tai Chi, daily exercises. This is the exercise portion of the program. We also have a Tai Chi portion, so please click the link in the video description to get all of the Tai Chi videos as well. Today's exercise is called shoulder external rotation. All right, so basically external means the arm is going to be rotating externally. All right, and so this is going to be a really good exercise for your rotator cuff. So that's one thing that people tend to get injured pretty frequently, actually. I see, as a physical therapist, I've seen many people that was one of the most common things I would see people for is rotator cuff injuries or surgeries. All right, so we really want to strengthen the rotator cuff, and this actually helps increase or improve your posture as well. All right, so I'll demonstrate it first, and then we'll do it all together. All right, so you want to stand with your feet about hip width or shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, nice and tall. And for this one, we're going to start off with the hand right out in front. All right, so just have the hand out in front, make a fist. All right, so it's almost like looks like we're punching straight ahead. And all you're going to do is you're going to start here, and then you're just going to rotate the arm out to the side. But see how I didn't lift my elbow? All right, so keep your elbow tucked in and come back to center. So out to the side and back. All right, and so that's it. So we're working on a lot of the muscles in the rotator cuff. And so we have the infraspinatus, that's the main one, but we're also working a lot of the other ones for stability. So all of them get activated in a really good way with this one. All right, and so that's all you do. You just go out to the side. Now that might be quite easy, so you can always grab weights for this too. So I'm going to grab some weights. Now we really only need one for now. So same thing, you hold it straight out in front and then out to the side. All right, now if you want, you can bring it in a little bit more and then bring it out, but you don't want to bring it out too far because then you start to strain the shoulder. So for me, I'm really only bringing it out that much, and then it kind of feels like it's stopping, so I'm not going to go any further because otherwise I have to like rotate my torso, and then we're not working that muscle anymore. All right, so just go out to the side. It doesn't have to go far. For me, it's only about 45 degrees, and that's where that muscle stops working. All right, let's do the other side. So holding it straight out in front. So once again, all you do to get there is you just bend the elbow, and you can bring it in a little bit and then out to the side. All right, this is another one that if you have rubber bands or exercise bands, you can tie it to like a doorknob or make a knot and put it in the door and close the door, and then pull, and then you'd pull on the band to go out to the side there. But you can just use a weight. That's going to be the easiest way to do it. It's really about getting the muscle activated. That's really the big thing. All right, let's do it with both weights though, because it's going to probably feel a little bit more natural if you do it both. And this is going to really help with posture too. So starting off with the weights by your side, all right, then you can bring them up so that's parallel with the earth. Bring them in a little bit and then go out to the sides with both. All right, and so as you do that, you might notice that it kind of opens your chest a little bit, and so that's okay. That's actually going to help with your posture. So stay nice and tall as you do this, because you don't want to practice doing it in a bad posture, and that's going to reinforce it. So we want to start to really open up, and that's going to help your posture. All right, if any of these hurt, then just don't go as far. So just do a little bit of motion. All right, then you can always build up from there. All right, and so I'm going to do both together. You can do one at a time, or you can do it without weight. We're going to do 10 repetitions. All right, if you're doing it one at a time, you'll have to do the second set on your own. You'll have to do one side and then the other, but I'm just going to do them both together. All right, and so we'll begin. So bring the weights up, bring them in slightly, and then as you breathe out, open. Breathing in, breathe out. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, and so that's external rotation. That's going to really help your rotator cuff. You can always do it with one arm and just do 10 on that side and then do 10 on the other. And so that's another option for you, with or without weight. Always listen to your body. If you have pain or soreness, always wait at least a day. Make sure it feels better. If you do have pain, actually, I recommend getting an assessment from a physical therapist so that you can figure out if there's something underlying causing the pain that you could actually clear up. All right, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.